About noon on Tuesday, Christian's here. Jared's trying to back up the end dump and he can't. He doesn't have a driver's license, commercial driver's license at least. I don't know why he's backing into there. Why are you backing it in there? I mean, why he's even bothering.
Like having big things in tiny holes.
We're waiting to kind of hear what we're gonna do. So these guys have been washing the last little bit. I'm probably gonna leave in the end dump here shortly and go haul some material, but I'm waiting for Ben to come back and tell me. Ben got a new truck, so I'm thinking about taking his truck for a little while. Do you think he'll get mad if I just throw everything in it?
Yeah.
Just take off in it for a little while? Yeah, let's see. That might have been detailed.
Nah, I bet it smells good.
Yeah. You take everything out of the back too? No. Most of the stuff's still in the back. But I might take his truck instead. I'm sure Ashley will like it. I like being in a half ton though. It's a little nicer, at least for me. I don't have to worry about diesel, and I don't pull trailers all that often. That would be nice to be able to have this to be able to pull a trailer. But I'm sure he doesn't want to keep.
Truck.
Huh?
Is it in place the single wheel with the blue truck?
No, the single wheel needs to be a beater for sure. So the guys can take it. Not.
I like the single wheel.
Yeah,
my second favorite truck.
But they need stuff like that. If your truck was a quad cab, you could give it to them, but they really need the single wheel so they can smoke in it and get it all dirty and beat it up and not have to worry about it.
Poor old girl.
Can you imagine giving them that truck?
No, you wouldn't have.
My truck's doing that. The guys to go back and forth. But wishful thinking. I'm sure Ben wants to get out of the payment as well as getting rid of the asset. But I definitely don't need a diesel. Then I won't have to haul that stuff, you know. Make my life a little easier. So not much going on today. It's gonna rain tomorrow. Probably not gonna do much tomorrow. So I was hoping to move some dirt today at least. And these guys are probably gonna go to Van Buren. It's a little late in the day to be doing that. Better, you could go tomorrow.
I'm already going tomorrow.
To Van Buren? For what?
Plays Marcus guy. Play Cole's guy.
Yeah.
I've been working with him for like a week and a half.
I'm no kidding. That's where you've been this whole time?
Fayetteville.
Oh, up there? That sucks, man.
2 hours every day there and 2 hours every day back.
Yeah. What?
I said, you've been holding on me the whole time he's talking.
It's a wide angle camera.
No, I can see it.
Oh, whoops. I meant to be pointing at Christian.
I'm done talking now.
There you go.
So yeah, we'll see what we end up getting done today. I don't have a dog. I don't have a dog. I'm in the end dump. Still up here at Crow Mountain. Jared's over there in the skid steer. He's moving these piles that were here, kind of smoothing this stuff back out. It's coming along. Cleared all of it. Now we're stacking dirt. He's gonna build a house and a barn up here, but he's starting with the barn. And then Jared's on the phone, of course. Buried this one. Axle's almost touching the ground. It's pretty buried, I would say. Trunnions on the ground. These axles were almost all the way on the ground. It's too soft right here. Did you add all that dirt? That's buried. The rear axles were touching the ground.
All I've done is drag them ruts across, you know what I'm saying? Like every time they dig, drag them.
That's pretty bad. Scoop a little bit of this away, just so you can push on the corner. So like just take that swath off, you know? And then you can help me get out. Yeah, this is soft, and it's gonna rain like an inch. Look at that. I'm willing to bet the axle's probably on the ground. Yeah, the axle's touching the ground. That's pretty bad. Good thing the skid steer's here. I can at least get pushed out. The buzzer's my PTO. Trying to walk myself forward. So you go down with the bed while holding the Johnny bar. And you set the trailer brakes, and then you go back forward, which is up with the bed. How bad that is. Shin deep. It is soft out here. Top of the mountain, soft as hell. I don't think anything's ever been built here before. Beautiful though. Wish you could see more detail in the GoPro. But the lake's on the other side of those trees right there. Love to have my house up here, I'll tell you that much. I just got home. Ashley's here with me. I sat and talked to Ben for a while just now about everything we're gonna do. We're gonna put some equipment up on an auction site. Man, that really shades my face, doesn't it? Probably should take that off. Gonna put the equipment up on an auction site. Hey, where are you going? Just walking away. That needs to go in the lunchbox. Put a bunch of equipment up on the auction site. He's buying another dump truck. We're gonna end up hiring somebody to run nights, working directly for Blackstone. Trying to get the Volvo figured out, which is gonna be the heavy haul truck. So, yeah, tomorrow's gonna rain, so we're not gonna do anything in the morning, but got quite a bit going on in general that I'm gonna be doing tomorrow, and everyone else is gonna have the day off. So I got a whole bunch of computer work to do tonight that I'm gonna take care of, so I'm gonna stay up and get it done.
Put this on the blog.
So where my kids live, they're gonna get 12 to 15 inches of snow.
Oh, I saw that. Yeah, they're getting a foot of snow. I don't think it's gonna be that bad, but they get one or two
Yeah, it's gonna be the bad
foot storms a year. It'll be a blizzard, in air quotes, blizzard. It's not that bad.
It's fine.
You're down for like one day, just during the storm, and almost right after it. As long as the afters doesn't hit at night, the storm ends in the middle of the day, the roads will be clear and people will be at the grocery store by the end of the day. So I don't really think it's that bad. It's Nebraska. They get quite a bit of that. But I'm still so anxious to go out on the road. So I'm hoping all this stuff's going to go through. But if Ben's buying more trucks and all this stuff, it's kind of, Svovo better go through, or else I'm going to end up quitting and going back over the road without him. But I ain't going to keep doing this local stuff, excavating too much longer. I'm itching to go out on the road, and I'm going to do it one way or another. We'll just have to see how that whole thing works out. She doesn't want me to go out on the road, but I do. I miss it. I've been doing it too long just to give it up like that altogether. And I take Pam Pam with me. Pam Pam. So, got a lot of work ahead of me tonight. A lot of editing, computer work. So, be seeing you guys tomorrow.